All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
His phone's on vibrate?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Oh no.
I really have no idea. Whatever. I'm not popular. So.
You know what I always hate about making videos is how to start them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, to be like the, hey, Professor Z here.
Yeah, the intros. Yeah.
We got Shannon and Jared here, two former CM 102 students, now graduate students, almost graduated. Both in my CM 102 class way back in the day. Aww. So this video, we're gonna walk through how to set up for the knock knock joke and shoot from the different angles. So I have this one camera here that you're watching that's gonna show walking around all the different angles, and this is the camera we're shooting with. So we're in the Martiri building. We have the big bank of windows over there, and you notice I have them positioned opposite the windows. So first of all, your lighting, you want to make sure we're not backlighting. We don't want the brightness behind people, otherwise you're not going to see their faces, or they're going to see their faces and the background is just going to be big white blur, and that's not good. Also, when you're setting up your camera, you know, I'm shooting 30 frames per second because that's common TV frame rate. My aperture is at 5.6. You don't want to be too shallow depth of field. This is not an interview. We're not doing documentary. We're doing TV here. So I want to be able to see both of them in focus. So that's where I have my aperture set at right now. So I have them set up here. They're kind of facing each other, right? You can face each other more. This is TV, not theater, right? If it was theater, you want to be V out to the audience. The TV, it's not as important. You might V a little bit. Once they're facing each other, we've created a line of action between them. This is our 180 degree line. Once I start shooting on this side, I cannot go to that side or else I violate that 180 degree rule. So we're gonna shoot the two shot. Now before or after this, I'm gonna shoot an establishing shot of outside the building. You can do that before, you can do that afterwards, you can do it next week, it doesn't matter. We edit it together afterwards. Now I have them in their two shot. I'm gonna record this at least 3 times from this angle and 3 times from the other 2 angles as well. So I'm gonna set up my shot here. Am I still in the frame on there if I do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Wait, take a step forward. Okay, you're good.
Thank you. Of course, you're a little tight there. That's all right. Okay, so I am already I'm just recording the whole time on this. Keeping my camera nice and steady with 2 hands and the strap here, or a tripod if you have one. And make sure we compose with the proper rule of thirds. Now you'll notice they are different heights, so I'm using that top third line is going between their eye levels. So Jared's a little high, Shannon's a little low, because they are definitely not the same height. Okay, I'm gonna give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Knock, knock.
Okay, pause. You can't giggle before you start. And remember, and go ahead and give a pause after I finish doing countdown before you speak, so that way we have that edit spot. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Well, this isn't going well so far. We're gonna edit this part.
I'm not gonna look at you. I'm gonna look past you.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna look at your shirt.
Action.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police open up.
Jared, step back in a little bit. You stepped out just a little bit. There you go. It's a great joke. Okay, do it again.
Okay. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police open up.
One more time.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police open up.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna make sure my actors don't move now. They can laugh a little bit. Then we're gonna come over for our first over-the-shoulder shot. I'm going over Shannon's shoulder. Now when I compose this, I want to keep Jared on that left side there, and I can zoom in. I care more about his face right now. No offense, Shannon.
That's all right.
We just want to see the side of her head so we have her for reference. And in this case, I'm raising the camera up so that Jared is on that top rule thirds line. And whenever you're ready, go ahead.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police open up. 4 times. It's so funny.
Go ahead.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police open up.
And one more time.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police open up.
Wonderful. And now we're going to go over to this side. And now Shannon's a little shorter. It's okay. Again, I want her on that right side of the screen. And we're just gonna have a little bit of Jared for reference on the left. And there's that weird painting in the background. We're gonna ignore it. Move your body until you get the setting that you like. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police. Open up. Okay, go again.
Go ahead.
Okay. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police. Open up. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Dishes.
Dishes who?
Dishes. The police. Open up.
And cut. Thank you.
Hey.
And that's how we do the quick recording of the knock knock joke. In the next video, we're gonna go through how to do the editing.